Now if we go to the report screen, we can see that we can set up a date range. And again, I'll set it back to the date when I know I've got some data. So the 20th of August to, I think it's the 2nd of September is going to be 14 days. We can select whether we want to have all work groups or just selected work groups. In this particular database, we've only got one work group called default, so it doesn't matter which one of those we select. Then we go to our selected report. We can select an adjusted report or an unadjusted report. So unadjusted is the raw times, not particularly useful except when you're checking times. For putting into your payroll program, adjusted times are normally what you would need. We can preview that on the screen. And here we see Bill Anderson, employee number 5, work group is here, and all the entries for a particular day. If they move over in this particular case to the second page, and we see here the totals for that day. So the second employee is Elizabeth Brown, and the information there continues on. So we go back to reports again. We can also see, we can export those reports to PDF, so we can keep a permanent copy.